Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create a database in Azure PostgreSQL Server. Once you connect to your Azure portal, then in search box, search for Azure PostgreSQL. Then click on Azure PostgreSQL Servers. See, I have one Azure PostgreSQL Server instance. Click on it. See, this is the server name and this is admin username. Okay. Notice here, we don't have any option to create a database from Azure portal for PostgreSQL Server. The only option is we have to connect to this host from PGSQL or PSQL. Now we are going to create database by using two methods. One by using create database command and another one is by using pgadmin tool. Let's connect to this host from the terminal or command prompt. PSQL -u. Here username is this one. -d means database. Existing database is Postgres. -h. Then we have to provide the server name. See, this is the server name. Copy and paste here. Then enter. Provide the password for this user. See, we have successfully connected to Azure PostgreSQL Server. Let's verify the list of the databases. Select that name from pg_database. See, we have these 5 databases. These are the default databases comes with the installation of Azure PostgreSQL Server. Now create a database by using create database and database name. Press enter. You can do all other options also. Owner, then connection limit, okay. Other options also. You can go through PostgreSQL documentation for this create database and options. Yeah. At present I am giving only simple command, that is create database and database name. Press enter. See, database is success. Let's verify. Select that name from pg_database. See, new database is now switch to this database by using /c /scores and press enter. See, now we are in. Also, see the message. You are connected to the database after schools as user this one. Okay. Let's verify the list of the tables in this database. It is fresh database, so it doesn't contain any tables or relations. Press Ctrl L from your keyboard to clear the script. Another method by using, now we are going to see second method, that is by using pgadmin. I have already connected to Azure PostgreSQL Server. Let's see the properties whether it's Azure or not. This is connection name and this is the host address. Let's compare. See, host name is same and username also I have copied. We should give username and @host name. Okay. Cancel this one. Expand this one. See, we have created database in, but it is not reflected. Just right click and click on refresh. That after schools will be appeared. See, new database has been appeared. Now we are going to create database in the same Azure PostgreSQL Server by using GraphQL method. Right click on databases, then select create and select database. First we have to provide database. Yes, prod or give any meaningful name. Yes, prod. Then owner. You can select owners from the drop down list. I am going with PostgreSQL admin. If you want to add comments, put comments here. Definition. Here we have to select the encoding type and I am going with the default encoding template. Template is nothing but existing database structure and table space. select the table space, collation settings, and character types. And last one is connection limit. -1 means unlimited connection to this database. If you want to set 100 users, 100 connections, then set it. Otherwise, -1 means unlimited connection. If you want to set 0 means only super user can connect, and remaining users cannot connect to the host. I am keeping -1 as -1. Okay. Now security. If you want to add privilege, click on this tab and select the item, select it, and privilege tab. These are the users, and grant the create all. Okay, connect. These we have to select. If you want to add security levels, click on this one. Parameters also same. Advanced schema restrictions. If you want to restrict schemas, then select from the drop down list. SQL. Whatever options we have provided, it will show in SQL syntax that we have created in the first method. See, create database with owner equals to this one, encoding equals to UTF, connection limit -1. See, if you change connection limit to 100, then here it will be changing to 100. The same way, if you change the owner, David, here also it will be changing to David. But I am going with default ones, that is -1, and the user server admin. See, it will be it has changed. Okay. Now click on this save button to create this US prod database in Azure PostgreSQL server. Once we click on, the database will be appeared here. See, database has been appeared here. This can also reflect in the terminal also. Now the same command, select dat name from tg_database. See, new database is added. Whatever the commands executed in this video are available in the video description. No need to worry about the commands. So in this video we have seen how to create a database by using create database command and graphical, and second method graphical user interface method by using pgadmin tool. For more PostgreSQL and Azure videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.